there, all my stamping friends. It's Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Hey, today I'm not going to be stamping with you today. I am here to tell you that registration for our next Creativate online stamping retreat is open. Yes, I can't believe it's December and we're already planning for our retreat in January. Seems like we just finished one retreat and we're right back at it planning fun projects for you. Now, I wanted to just do a short video to share with you, one, what the retreat's all about if you've never attended, and two, for those of you that have joined us before, I want to share some of the exciting, fun changes we're making this time. You know, we love to listen to your comments and hear your feedback and always strive to make these retreats better and better for you. Now, if you've never attended a Creativate online stamping retreat, make it this one to attend for the first time. It is so much fun and full of stamping ideas. I've partnered with my three very best personal friends and stamping friends, Sharon Armstrong, Brandy Cox, and Connie Stewart. And the four of us work together to bring you a it's jam-packed day full of stamping ideas and inspiration. We have the retreat all set up in a private Facebook group. Now hold on, if you don't use Facebook, keep listening because we have the solution for you. And what we do is we go live every hour on the hour starting at 10 o'clock Eastern time, and I think we finish up like 9 o'clock at night. Now, don't let that scare you. That's a long day. Yes, I know it is. But here's the beauty of our retreat. We like to think of it as a come and go. You'll have the schedule, who's presenting when, but you'll be able to come and watch all the replays anytime. So even if you can't join us at all that day, that's okay. You'll get all the links to the replays. And along with each of those presentations, we share a step-by-step tutorial with you. Now here's kind of we're going to call it a catch, but it's a good catch-22. We don't require you to buy any products ahead of time. What we like to do is make our projects what we think of as generic. That means it's more about the technique, the fold, the layout. We do lots of fun folds and couple 3D type boxes and techniques, and it's really designed so that you can use any products you have. Now I know sometimes that's hard. You know, you see what we make and you want to do the exact same thing. Well, we try to give you 3 examples for every single project. For instance, I love fun folds. So if I do a fun fold card, I'll show you 3 the same fun fold with completely different supplies to help you see that you can use anything you have. Now, the other thing is we have found if we have you buy products ahead of time, what if you don't like them? What if they're not really your jam, the products that we use? So the beauty of this format is wait and see what we do. And if you fall in love with the products that we use, then come back and place the order afterwards, because then you know you will really love those products. So we want you to learn to use what you have and purchase afterwards if you really like the products that we share. Now, what kind of projects? Like I said, everything from one sheet wonder to fun folds to techniques to boxes to, you know, usually it's stuff that's a little bit stepped up from what you normally see from us on a week-by-week basis. And then those tutorials, along with, you'll get the replay videos as well as what I'd like to call the shortened video. So if you don't like watching live videos or even recordings of live videos, you don't get all the chit chat. You can get right to the video, right to the point, and make those projects. So it is a fabulous day of inspiration to give you so many stamping ideas. Now, a couple of changes that we've made this time that I think you're going to love. Rather than doing Facebook Lives, we're going to switch to YouTube Lives. It is so much easier for you to access it, both to join us live and to watch the replays. So even if you don't use Facebook at all, no problem. You can participate in our lives now because they will be on YouTube. The other big change that I'm super excited to tell you about, we decided to make it easier for you. We are going to give you all the tutorials before the retreat starts. On Friday morning before our Saturday retreat, we're going to send you an email and it'll have all the tutorials for you to download, print them if you want. And that way, if you do want to stamp on Saturday during the retreat, you can be prepared to do so. Or some of you have said you like to follow the tutorial or make little notes while we're presenting. You can do that too. So I'm so excited about some of these changes. We're also going to tell you who's presenting at one time. So you'll have the tutorials ahead of time so you can look at them and say, oh, I really want to watch this. And well, she's going to do her thing at say 1 o'clock. So we're just trying to make it as easy for you. So I invite you to register and join me for our winter Creativate online stamping retreat. It's so fun to share with you on that day, and we just love when you're a part of our retreat. Oh, and not to mention, we give away a ton of door prizes. So whether you are a demonstrator, whether you are just a crafter, or even if you live outside of the United States, you can join us, and I hope you do. So I hope this answers some of your questions. Down in the description of the video, it should be right down there someplace, you'll find the link that goes over to my blog post, and over there you'll have all the information to register. Again, try to make it as easy as we can. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we also have some pre-retreat stamping challenges. We've done this the last couple of retreats right now, and you guys love them. So for the 4 weeks leading up to the retreat, so the first one will be December 27th, we post a challenge. It's a way to get you to think outside of your box, try something different. They're always different. You never know what you're going to get from us. And it gives you something to do while you're getting excited for the retreat. And then if you participate and share your projects, we do some extra prize drawings to send prizes for that as well. So make sure you reach out to me if you have questions. I know that's a lot. I've probably babbled on and on, but I invite you to join us. I love it when you join us. We have so much fun, and I'm so honored when you pick me to be the one that you register with. I promise to keep you updated and make sure you're well prepared to know where all the links are, all the tutorials are, and just be here to help make the retreat the best possible retreat that you can have. Let me know if there's questions, and make sure to register soon so you don't forget. I will be seeing you on January 22nd, presenting some super fun projects during our online Winter Creativate Retreat. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.